Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. It's been a while, but I'm back with this exciting video today. So before I show you what I'm actually showing you in this video, I thought I will quickly show you my September cover page. So I've gone with this like flower theme with this little crosshatch in the background. I've gone with the waterfall tabs at the side. I'll show you some of the spreads that I've done so far, and then I'm just working on some at the moment. They're not done yet, but September hasn't started yet, but this is what I'm going with for September. So I thought I'll start off with that just to give you little guys a little look at what I'm doing. But what I really want to show you is this. Hang on. You can't even see it, it's huge. It's ridiculous the size of this box. This is my current order from Archer and Olive. Yeah, let me see if I can show you in a way. Like, seriously guys, look at the size of that box. It's just huge, but yeah, let's start looking in it. Okay, so I have unboxed everything out of the box. And these are all... Oh god, there's so much of it, and there's this huge bag as well. Oh look, and this journal as well. There is a lot here. So let's start with, oh, I'm really excited to look into these. Let's start with the journals. So we've got 3 journals. Oh, got that around the right way here. So this was from the summer collection. This is the Greater Good collab, and this is one of the new journals that have just come out. So let's start with this one over here. Let's undo this and see what's inside. Okay, I've just taken the clean film off of it, and let's see what this one was. Oh yes, so this was the let's get it out. This is the A5 pastel rainbow notepad. So this is got the edges there, so you can just rip the paper off. This is great for like you want to add a page into your journal. Cool, rip it off, stick it in, you can add another page. Or if you want to add colour to it, so we've got purple, blue, green, yellow, orange and pink, and they're all in pastel colours. That's really nice. They do that in A5 and B5, and lots of different colours. There's one with black, white and craft paper, and then there's some different colours as well, so make sure you have a look at those. They are really cool. And guys, can we just appreciate the boxes? These boxes are super cute. I've just got a stash of boxes in my room, and it just I don't know what to do with them, but they're just too nice to throw away. Okay, this one, I believe this one is the coffee mug. Yes, it is. So I wanted to get this one to match the new bags that I've just got. Okay, let's have a little look at this one. So this one is like one of the old ones where it comes with the bands. All the new Archer and Olive books don't come with the band anymore, and they've got this new binding, so it's got like a little ridge down the side. I'll show you with that one in a moment. But look at that cute little logo. I love that, and it matches perfectly with all of this set that we will look into in a moment. But yeah, let's crack this open and have a look. So again, like your normal bullet journal, but very cute. These were very popular in the first release, so they had to be brought back for the favourites restock. But oh, look how nice that is. Love that one. And then finally, one of the new releases, we have this one, and I can't really remember what design I picked. Let's see. Look at that box. How cool is that? That's just beautiful. Really like that design. Let's open it up. Oh, that is so nice. Again, I went with this colour to match. Keeps it all tied in. And I think that, yeah, that perfectly matches. That's really nice. So this one again doesn't come with the band, and this is the new binding, so they still lay flat. If you're having trouble getting them to lay flat, Archer and Olive have a video on their Instagram showing you how to do that, which is really helpful. But let's have a look inside. Nothing's changed inside. You've still got the little logo at the bottom, but that is just really nice. Oh, I've got too many nice ones now and I don't know what I'm going to go into next. We'll see how I'm feeling at the time. So that's them, and that also really nicely matches my daily agenda. I'll give you a little peek into here as to what's going on. So this is my daily agenda. This is what I'm using when I'm teaching. So I've got a little key there to help. So I will just keep this with me. So I've blocked out all term dates, inset days, bank holidays, bits like that. And when I've got actual holidays, I've given myself a little cover page. This will be space to write some notes on meetings or whatever. And then this is when I put down what is actually happening that month. And then you have weeklies after. So I will write down, basically this will just be like a to-do list. This will be left open on my desk and I'll just scribble away when I need it. There's a clear one, so you can see how that looks. And I'll show you a clear calendar as well. There you go. That's what it looks like. But this all matches really nicely. So I never thought I'd be into like the browny, you know, neutral colours. I'm normally quite like all the bright colours. Like if you saw my classroom, it's rainbow themed. But I am really enjoying these journals. They're beautiful. Before we get into the bags, I just want to show you, I did get one of the pins. This is Erica's pin. I just loved it. I thought it was so cute. I do want to get the rest of them. So my next purchase I will be buying some more, but for now I just went with Erica's one. Is mine around? Yes, here we go. There's mine, which is still available on the website, and if you use Budget Chloe 10 you get an extra 10% off, which is great. So yeah, make sure you have a look if you like pins. So remember to smile. The reason I went with this is because I always just think, you know, sometimes if you see someone smiling, it brightens up your day and you don't even realise it. So remember to smile, because you might actually brighten someone else's day up without you even realising it. You know what I mean. But yeah, so that's that. Right, let's get into the really good stuff now that I've been so excited for. This is the journal pouch. Okay, this is really cool. Let's take all protectory bits off. Oh, look at the colours on that. So again, this is why I went for more of the brown coloured notebooks to match all of this. How does this work? Is that holding on to both? Yeah, it is. Oh, and that's tied around both. No, it's not. It's just got caught. Oh, there we go. So, okay. Here this is. If I show you in comparison to the size of a A5 bullet journal, you can see the size. And this is their fake leather, but it feels so nice. It's got this beautiful detail along here. And let's open it up and see what's inside. They did also have a B5 journal cover, which I think I will be getting next time to match this set. So straight away, open it up and we've got pockets, a pen loop and another pocket there. This is a really cute design inside. And then we take this off. Okay, we've got a zip there as well. Inside there, we take this out. This is the thing that I was really excited about. Oh, this is really cool. Okay, so you've got a zip there to put bits in here. In one of Archer and Olive videos, they had one of the pocket size inside here, and then you've got more pen loops. So you could get out all of your supplies for a month that you need for your bullet journal and completely fill this pouch with all the supplies you need, and just keep swapping it out each month. That is what I plan to do. I'm going to keep all my supplies in here, and then that clips in to the side there. So let's see, do we have enough room? Yeah, look at that. I think we've even got enough for over 2. Might be a bit of a squish, but let's see. I really don't want to break this, but I want to see how much I can fit in this. Right, you probably can, but maybe it's because it's brand new. I don't want to break it. But yeah, that's really cool. Let's try just one. See if that zips nice and easy. Yeah, nice and over that part. There we go. Nice and easy, and that's just so cool. Oh, that's just a tag that I can just remove, but I probably will keep that and use it in a journal. And look at that, that is so nice, very sweet. So that was the first one I bought, and now I can't get it past that. Hang on a second, it will go. There we go, it just got caught on that zip inside. Yeah, really pleased about that. And then secondly, I got this really cool bag. Again, this is their vegan leather. Will that come off? It's really hard when you've got fake nails on. There we go. So that's the little keyring on there. Let's remove all of the rubbish out there. Keeps it nice and padded. Okay, you can't really see well on here, but it matches with that serrated edge there. And then inside the bag, there's loads of pocket space, and again it matches that nice design. So let's see if we can put that in there. Nice. And then that's the bag, which I just love. Again, I'm going to use this with all of my stationery, keep it all in one place. So yeah, that's today's little haul. The bag, the pouch, I can't fit it all in, the journal, the other journal, and the notepad, and a design team pin. So that's everything I got today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you want to see more of, and I will try and upload more frequently and show you guys what I've been up to. But yeah, I hope you had a great summer, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye guys.